Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, and I got up early this morning to try to finish this bed. As you guys can see, this is a quick video of the 99.9% of the finished product. I got to go back and trim my fabric barrier, and as you can see, I had to open up this end because I refused to start over. So I just said, okay, well, I'll leave that side open. I might put some chicken wire or something I can close up and stuff like that. But I'm planning in something like this in the front, so I know it will be okay for back here. And this area here, what I end up doing, had that extra wood. I extended that fence. So I didn't have enough soil for this side, so this is going to be the next part that I do, I feel. So with them two sides over there, it took 4 bags, and I haven't put the manure in there yet, the compost. So, but I added everything else in there. Got everything ready. It's getting ready to rain, but I needed to finish this here before it rained. I want the rain to, you know, get in that soil, loosen all that stuff up so everything can start, be, blended really, really good with the soil. So when it's time, only thing I have to do really, like I said, is put the compost in there. I'm tired. I'm gonna go run in and try to take a quick shower so I can get to church. But yes, this side here will be maybe next weekend project, or if I have time during the week, which I doubt, but I'll probably do it next weekend, and hopefully this is all I need. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. And as you can see, I have a planter right here, so those planters are going to be sitting inside those little holes, and I'm probably going to put like 3 or 4 of them so I can put flowers around that. And I might decide to put herbs, I'm not sure, but I will be planting something in those 4 containers that I have like that. Again, have a good day, stay blessed, and thanks again for watching.